friends. That's right, it's Dylan. Yeah, it's Dylan. Coming to you live from Dylan Compound. Here with New Gene.
Yeah, I'm here.
Goddamn, he looks like an old mole the dog dug up, don't he? Well, anyway, on a serious note, as y'all know, I've been trying to get the old truck running. I've tried tons of shit, nothing's worked, and goddamn, I had New Gene here out at the house, and
I laid my hands on it.
he healed it! Healed it! We came out, he was gonna crank it while I checked the spark, and I got in there, I turned the key, and well, let me show you. So much is running. What the fuck? My truck is fucking running. What the? Ugh. It's running. It's a miracle. It happened on a Sunday. Send your donations.